The base G70 starts at $42,795 with the destination included, or $44,895 with all-wheel drive. The bad news is this Turbo 4 doesn't develop a ton of torque off the line, nor is it that engaging. The turbo lags like an early 2000s smartphone, so you really have to bury your foot into the accelerator pedal, and keep it buried, to get the G70 up to speed. At least the new engine delivers more power through the mid and upper limits of the tachometer, even if it takes a minute to get there. If power is the priority, the V6 G70 is still the one to get. An 8-speed automatic is the sole transmission option for either engine. It's mostly anonymous but can be lethargic when driving quickly, refusing to upshift or downshift on time. Tick over to the most aggressive Sport Plus driving mode and flick the paddles yourself for best results. To its credit, the base G70 doesn't shy away from corners. The electric power steering has moderate heft and a good road feel. The suspension is tight and the generous rear drive system makes the G70 eager to get its ass end around on tight turns. If you go for the 3.3T trim, which costs $51,245 out of the box, there's even a drift mode, not that I got the chance to sample it,